Hey guys! Today I'm showing you GameStarter LITE systems. We're working on implementing maps for all of these game modes. We have a ton of options to customize, like round length, kill limit, leaderboard kill tracker for zombies, COD respawn logic, debug logs, and more. You can also edit the transparency of the backgrounds of UI elements. 100 is completely transparent. Here are some fonts. We will add more. And if you have any specifics in mind, send them to the ideas and feedback chat on Discord. Okay, after I've generated the system, I'm duplicating the parkour map into Workspace to show it off to you guys. Okay, as we enter, there are invisible barriers blocking both sides from each team and below, so people can't cheat and will fail if they fall. The white squares are spawn/checkpoints and are numbered on both sides. You spawn on 1 and go to 2. If you die before you get to 3, then you respawn back on 2 until one team or person wins. And here is the finish line. Okay, now all we have to do is press delete to remove all the logic. Actually, I have to delete this manually since we put it in here. Next, we're on to the simple data store generator. So I will type in door unlock, which you can store story mode door unlocks. Make sure it's a true or false boolean. Check show in leader stats, then add field. Now you can add as many data stores as you want. Coins will be a number. Levels number. Sword style will be a string. Boom. Create, and you can see the data store in server script service. Make sure you don't put any spaces like I did. The team will be sure to fix this. Now we can move to the spawn generators. We can put as many spawns as we'd like. Just for example, I put 100. Spawn in a circle, save spawn, and display the number in Workspace. Now generate. I can go up, and as you can see, there's 100 spawns in a circle around me, and they're all numbered. Last system, but the best on the list, is the dialogue generator. If I go down here, you can see it comes with a default noob. The character has to be in the dialogue NPCs folder. Then we can type the exact name into the generator. I can type any chapter or step I want, and it will start on the lowest number and go up. We're adding player responses. Here's the preview in a viewport frame. This resets the dialogue to the lowest step or chapter you have when the player joins. With reset dialogue on generate off, you can add steps, chapters, and responses to what you already have. And with it on, you will reset the dialogue each time to what you have in the system. I'll have him say I'm a noob and who are you? Then the player can reply with I'm blue. Who are you to ask, or say, nah bro, I'm out. We can head back up here to demonstrate adding a second chapter. Have the noob say yo, welcome back in. And the player say bet bro. Boom. Generate dialogue system. Now one last thing I'm showing you is how to see and edit the dialogues manually. Head over to Replicated Storage, Dialog RS, then Dialogues. Here's the full system, and later the team will add trees. There's also a way to add rewards for choosing the right option on certain chapters and steps. So here's the chapter number and step number, and down here's the same thing. You can also edit the GUI in Starter GUI. There will be professional elements added. Thank you for being a part of the GameStarter community. Build quickly.